Question number 4. A planet Mars orbits the Sun in approximately circular path of radius 2.4 times 10 to 11 meter. It takes 690 days to complete one orbit. So this is the time taken to complete one orbit, one revolution or one orbit. So it is equal to period. So let us always draw the condition. We have Sun and Mars is orbiting the Sun. Okay, so question number 1. Calculate the angular velocity omega of the Mars. Okay, so to find the angular velocity, we are applying equation 2 pi over period as we have the information of period. But bear in mind our period is not in SI unit. So we have to convert. 690 days is equal to 690 times 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So multiply all the values. You'll have your period as 5.96 times 10 to the power of 7 seconds. So now we can calculate our omega. So you'll have your omega as 1.05 times 10 to minus 7 radian per second, the unit for omega. Next, question number 2. Okay, the question asks us to find the mass of the Sun. So to find the mass of the Sun, we are going to apply the equation for period, because in this equation we have the mass of the Sun. So it's r cubed over gravitational constant over mass of the Sun. So basically we have our period. We already have our period is equal to 2 pi. And we have also our radius 2.4 times 10 to the power of 11 cube over 6.67 times to the power of 11, and this is the mass of Sun. Okay, we try to bring 2 pi to the other side, to this side. Okay, and we can square both sides because we want to get rid of this square root. So by having this, finally you can find the mass of the Sun. So you'll get 9 times 10 to 13 is equal to 1.38 times 10 to 34 over 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11 mass of Sun. Okay, so finally you'll get your mass of Sun is equal to 2.3 times 10 to power of 30 kilogram. Okay, now we move to the question number 3. So number 3, the question asks us to find the gravitational field strength. So I hope you still remember the symbol is Ag. So Ag is equal to Gm over r squared. Okay, substituting all the values, 6.67 times 10 to the power of 11, negative 11. Mass of Sun is 2.3 times 10 to 30 over r, 2.4 times 10 to 11 r squared. So finally you'll get Ag is equal to 2.67 times 10 to the minus 3 meter per second squared.